Take this pin out, just slide it out of the bracket. And you might have to twist it under this shield a little bit. And grab the light assembly and just slide it up and out a little bit. You're going to have to just move it around a little, twist it up, and then it does come out. Then you can disconnect the connectors right on the bulbs, or you can take the bulbs out, twist to the left. Same with this one. If you wanted to disconnect the connector from the bulb, just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just lift up on these tabs as you pull the connector down. Just like that. To reinstall the connector, line it up, lock it down. And there's a little clip right here. You just push in with a straight blade screwdriver. As you push it in, you should be able to slide the light out and over. See, it's just clipped in right there. Then take this socket and just push on the tab, twist to the left, slide it out. And the same on this socket. And then this socket, you just grab it and twist to the left, slide it out. If you want to replace the bulbs, you can take the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out. This one is a 194 bulb. Just slide the new one right in like that. For this bulb, just grab, pull it out of the socket. This one is a 3157A for amber. And slide it in place. And the daytime running light, slide that one out. And this one is a 3156. Now take the bulbs, just line the socket up. And just twist and lock it down. And take this socket, line it up, and lock it. And same with the daytime running light. And then line up this ear on the inside. And lock it down. And you can just line these up. Slide them in place and twist to the right. Whenever you're handling these bulbs, make sure you don't touch the glass part of the bulb, or you could cause them to burn out faster. And just line this one up as well. Push it in place and twist it. Now just line the headlight assembly in this way a little bit. It's going to kind of sit in the bottom first. Just like that. Take the pin, get underneath that cover. And when that's lined up, lock it down.